Hello everyone and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add Lawliet Bot to Discord. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and go to the search bar. Type in lawlietbot.xyz and press enter to find the search. On the first link, you'll find the Lawliet Bot official website. Just click on the Invite Lawliet button, blue button on the website. When the invitation arrives on Discord, you need to choose a server. Leave everything and don't change anything, and then confirm you're not a robot, and you will be redirected to the Lawliet Bot server. Just search the server and find it. And that's it, guys. That's how you add the Lawliet Bot to your Discord server or channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.